Hi everybody. Today's video is a giveaway. Kim over at Do It Yourself Mandala Stones is generously offered to give away a set of her dotting tools. The full set, just like this one. 28 tools in different sizes. And these are the ones that I use in my videos. The giveaway is open to everybody worldwide, but please note that winners are responsible for any duty tax or import taxes if they're required. So if you're out of the country, that will be your responsibility if there's any charges for that. She is located, I believe, in Canada. Yes. She is located in Canada, so that if you're out of Canada, you may have some charges, or you may not. I don't know how that goes. But it's going to be mailed directly from her and not from me. So if you would like a chance to win, comment below. Make sure you are a subscriber, and I will be posting the winner in a week. So today is, let me see, Tuesday the 27th. So I'll post a winner on the 4th. But I'm going to just post it on my community page over here on YouTube, and I'll post it to my Facebook group. So the winner will need to contact me with their address so I can forward it on to her. I am having surgery on Friday. So normally I like to do a live video if I do a drawing so you guys can see me select the winner. This time I'm not going to be able to do that because I'll be laid up. But I will for sure post it and forward the information, and she's going to take care of the shipping. Also, I'd like to show you the difference in the tools because she's upgraded them from what they used to be. So let me show you that. Okay. This is the package of the new ones, and this is one of the old tool sets. And this, let's see if I can get better lighting. Okay, this is how the numbers used to be on here. Just a small, like this is the number 20. And she's now upgraded them. So the numbers are much larger. Look at the difference in that. Isn't that nice? But the tool itself is the same as they used to be. So if you already have a set, you might not want to enter the drawing. But I just wanted to show you guys. It's so much nicer for those people that have a hard time seeing it like me. So that's just it. I just wanted to let you guys know that the giveaway is going. So if you're interested, make sure you comment below and like and share the video so other people know that they can enter as well. It's not required, but it would be nice if you let friends know. That's it. I hope everybody's doing great. I'm doing wonderful yet. I'm going into surgery on Friday, and then I will be in recovery for a while. But I do have videos made for at least a few weeks, so everything should be going as normal. I just might not be as active talking and answering questions and stuff. So enter, and I can't wait to announce the winner, and you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.